And the DVD disc is now spinning there, guys, and loading. Okay, it's playing, it's working fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to repair Akira 2.1 DVD microsystem. I took it from Indonesian friend, and it's already open. Maligayang pagdating sa aking channel, guys. Ngayon magche-check tayo ng Akira DVD player. At kinuha ko to sa Indonesian friend, and take a look. It seems something is blow up here, and here's the capacitor cap, and it's rated 25 volts, 470 UF, and it's blown. Oh, there, it came from here. So I'm going to, oh, someone is trying to fix this one. Okay, let's try to check this one, guys, before we install a new capacitor. And I'm going to open here. See, ito screw is already removed and only two left. And let's see what seems to be the problem here. Okay, guys, we still have one bloated Ecap here. Ito, guys, may nakita tayong isang buntis. Palitan natin to, at saka ito, at saka natin siya i-on ulit.
Sorry ass DJ.
Okay, 16 volts, 1000 UF. This side here, guys, is the negative, and this side here is the positive. So you're going to install like this. Yung may guhit na yan, guys, is ang kanyang negative. Itong buo na to, brown, yan ang kanyang positive. Sa electrolytes naman, ito yung kanyang negative, at itong buong itim na to is yung kanyang positive. So install natin siya dahil may polarity ito. We're going to install it with this one with a polarity. Okay. Kick. And I have with me, guys, a replacement for the 25 volts, 470 UF, and this one is bulky also. So I'm gonna replace that with 35 volts, same, 470 UF, so a little bit bigger. Okay, once again, guys, it has a polarity. We install like this. Yan, negative doon. Now I just hung this socket here and this ribbon here. Okay, I just hung it, so no load for the secondary. So I'm going to turn this on, and let's see what gonna happen to the new capacitor. Okay, it's being turned on and nothing's happened there. Let's verify if there is a voltage now to the secondary. Titignan natin, guys, ihinang ko muna yung terminal dito, itong dalawa na to. Wala muna siyang load para sa secondary. At i-verify natin kung meron ng voltahe dito. Kaya meron na. Okay? Okay, ito yung primary natin. This is the primary and this is the secondary. Ito yung power supply niya. And now that the power supply is being applied for the secondary, we are now going to install this cable here. Install natin yung cable at itong supply niya guys, ito. Yan. Ito yung papunta dito. I-power up niya itong ating motherboard. Okay? Itong module na to ipa-power up na. This is the power supply of this module. And now we're going to turn it on again and let's see. It's already, I'm going to power this on and nothing's happened. And look, we have a power, so it's loading and the VCD or DVD inside is now spinning. And I'm going to press the stop. Oh, it's playing now. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay, it's responded. It's playing now guys. So ganun lang guys ang pagre-repair ng DVD. Ito ay Akira. Ganito ang DVD nila dito sa Brunei. And now it's working. That's how we're going to troubleshoot guys, just in case you encounter this issue. So we just replace the blown capacitor and the bulky, another bulky one. And where is it now? Okay, here guys we only replace this one. Okay, these two capacitor here. This one is blown up and this is the terminal, and this one is bloated, so I replace it also. So both capacitor is located in the secondary section, or because this is the primary section and this is the secondary section of the power supply. If you're new to my channel guys, please support me by clicking subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be updated just in case I have a new upload video. Ito guys yung ating pinalitan. Thanks for watching. Until then, God bless.